Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. As you can see, I have a new background. I had to rearrange my office with the help of my husband, because as I was actually dog sitting, he broke my divider. So yeah, we had to rearrange it, and then I got sick with COVID. So that's why I haven't been able to upload any blogs or videos, things like that. So, but it's good to be back. All right, so here's a question for you guys. Have you guys ever wondered why some days feel like a breeze in your workplace or whenever you're working? And then other times it feels like you're just swimming upstream. Yeah. Well, what's the reason for this? Well, it just might be about aligning your work style with your personality. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video, and how to find your productivity style to work smarter, not harder. So let's get into it. If you guys have watched my videos on education, and first off, thank you for watching my videos and helping me reach that goal. So in my education videos, I talk about learning style. Learning about your learning style is going to actually help you help you obtain and retain the information that you are studying. Similarly, when it comes to productivity, we too also have a productivity style. We want to think of it as your personal approach to getting things done. That's what a productivity style is. It's how your brain naturally prefers to operate. It's influenced heavily by your personality. And speaking of personality, let's talk about a fun concept. The introvert-extrovert continuum. That's a fancy term. All right, so where do we fall on this scale? Where you fall on this scale can tell a lot about what makes you tick. Introverts often recharge by spending time alone and might find too much stimulation draining, whereas extroverts gain energy from interacting with others and can thrive in dynamic environments. Now, knowing this, we want to think about your last really productive day. Were you alone? Were you in a bustling cafe? We want to reflect on this and jot it down. So go ahead, if you have a notepad, just write it down, because this is going to be your first clue into your productivity style. All right, got it? So now let's layer in another aspect: structure preference. This is about how much organization you need to feel at your best. Do you thrive on tight schedules, or do you prefer on a go with the flow approach? So think about it this way. If having a to-do list feels comforting, you might lean towards more of a structured organization process. Now, if that sounds like a straitjacket to your creativity, then you're more likely to be flexible. Then the go with the flow approach might be your thing. So I've got a quick quiz for you in the description below to help pinpoint where you might fall on this spectrum. So try it out and then let me know in the comments below. Okay, so with your place on the introvert or extrovert scale and your structure preference, you're halfway to defining your productivity style. So let's put these together. For example, if you're an extroverted flexible type, you might find open office spaces energizing and deadlines motivating. With introverted structured types might prefer a quiet room and a clear task list. Now, I am an extroverted flexible type. As much as I want to say I am an introvert, but when it comes to productivity, especially now, I find I work better in open spaces, such as working at a cafe, but I still have my deadlines. I have to have more of a structured organization process to keep me focused. All right, so how do we use this info? It's all about creating the environment that suits your style. Adjust your workspace if you work remotely, if you have an office. All right, you, with the permission, find out first, from your boss, adjust your workspace a little bit. This also includes your schedule, even the way you list your tasks to align with your natural inclinations. So let's say that you're flexible and introverted. How about setting a few goals for the day, but allowing yourself the freedom to choose what to tackle when? Depending on your mood, maybe? Or if you are a structured and extroverted, just me, why not try time blocking your schedule to include social breaks where you interact with colleagues or engage on social media? So personally, for me, since a lot of the time I work remotely, is when I have productivity days with my friends. So I will text my friends like, hey, do you want to go to this coffee shop on Wednesday mornings? So once I'm done with my task, all right, let's have a little snack. We start conversing. We talk about, either our aspirations, our goals, or things that we're trying to get done that day. So finding your productivity style isn't just about working more, okay? It's about working more effectively. And remember, there's no one size fits all, but understanding yourself better can make a huge difference. So comment below with your productivity style or any tips that you have for optimizing your day. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on how to make your day work for you and for some teaching tips or education tips. So until next time, stay productive. Bye guys.